Hello YouTube friend, welcome back to the Newcar TV channel. Don't forget to like, comments, subscribe and share.
Rivian R1T specifications. The R1T will come with all-wheel drive as standard with a similar arrangement as Tesla Model X, an independent electric motor for driving each axle. The 135.0 kWh variant will be the most powerful, claiming a speed of 0 to 60 mph in 3.0 seconds, powered by a 754 horsepower engine. There will be a height adjustment feature to control clearance height through adjustable air suspension from whooping 8 to 14 inches. The R1T will be available to the customers with 3 different battery options: 105, 135, and 180 kWh storage. The higher, the better. The 180.0 kWh variant will comprise a battery range of 400 miles, while the 135.0 versions will provide a backup for about 300 miles, and the entry-level model, which will be launched at the last, will have a 230-mile range. The company claims the R1T model can easily carry a payload of 1760 pounds and can further haul more than 11,000 pounds of weight. The battery will be exhausted quickly, and dragging such a heavy weight for sure in comparison to cruising unladen. The interior cabin is enriched with leather, wood, and separate big displays for infotainment and gauge cluster system. It has got some large storage compartment and trunk in the front and behind the cab, with a lockable in-bed compartment with 12 cubic feet of storage. There are 3 110-volt switch outlets inside the bed and an air compressor too. The infotainment system will onboard systems like Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Wi-Fi hotspot as standard. The vehicle will have level 3 autonomy sensors, but the car still cannot drive on its own under certain circumstances, and other key sensors include automated emergency braking, lane departure warning, and adaptive cruise control. Rivian R1T release date. The R1T truck was scheduled to go on sale in late 2020, initially the top-of-range 180.0 kWh model, but earlier this month, the officials confirmed its launch delayed to the next calendar year 2021. Rivian is considered as chief in the electric pickup truck industry, and Amazon Solo has booked 100,000 delivery vehicles for itself. The company will notify the customers once the timetable for the production plants will be laid. Rivian R1T price. The company plans to introduce the top-of-the-range model initially, the 180.0 kWh variant, which will offer the largest battery and tedious driving range. It is specially designed for heavy cargo transportation. The expected price for 180.0 kWh will be around $80,500, while the 135.0 kWh is estimated at around $75,500 and 105.0 kWh at a price of $70,500. Let us know in the comments section below. Thank you for watching this channel. Wait for the next video and don't forget to like, comments and subscribe.